Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you my app that I built that will mainly pick up some random problem from Codeforces. So I named it Codeforces Random Problem Picker. So basically some of us, many of us do competitive programming and we need to arrange visas contest, and if we see the statement and read the statement, it will be unfair for the others. So our app will randomly pick problems from the website and show generate a list. So what it will do, if we go to the problem set section, it will sort the whole problem set to a certain range of difficulties, and it will scrap the whole data and generate the random problems. It will also make sure that these problems did not set in our previous contests. Okay, so let me go back to the PyCharm. Okay, so let me show you the code. So we basically used request and beautiful sub. Here we use beautiful sub 4 and our default module, which is Tinker, to build a graphical user interface. So let me show you how it works. Let's run this, and you can see a window will pop up. It will give us three options, which is the number of problems. Let's say we need 5 problems to arrange a contest, and the starting difficulty, let's say 900, and to in difficulty will be like 1200. And if we click start, it will generate a list, and it will also make sure that the previous problem doesn't repeat. So it will take a minute to generate. As you can see, it generated five problems randomly in these certain difficulties. So use text file to store the data. So let me show you here. Info Explorer, here is the file old problem.txt. We store all the old problems here, so that the program can match this and doesn't give us any problem ID which is previously set. So it's a very basic web scraping tool. So I'll share the source code in the description. Do check, and if you like this, please do comment and share this to your friends. So thanks for watching.